Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, we learned from Canalys that looks at the market share for PC sales that seems to say that Windows PCs, the sales of Windows PCs are going to increase in a lot. According to what they see and what they predict, as Windows 10 reaches its end of support next year, the increase in PC sales is going to be really good. They say that most people in enterprise will be moving on to Windows 11, and that also the new Copilot plus PC combo type will also generate sales. First quarter of this year, sales are up 5%, and they will be even higher by the end of the year. They expect to sell almost 70 million PCs this year. And next year, the PC sales are supposed to be up 8%. And they see a lot of this has to do with the end of Windows 10. So, when we say the cycles, because the people here on this channel are definitely not like the people that are using a PC day to day. And it's always been like that. When Windows actually ends a cycle, the new Windows pushes the sales of PCs. And that's exactly what they are starting to see and what they predict will happen by the end of next year. So, the strategy of Microsoft always worked, will work once again. And this will boost, of course, the numbers of Windows 11 much higher. So this, I think, the second half of this year, because the first half of this year we saw kind of a little stagnation. Now it's starting to pick up again. But I think the second half, as we move towards Christmas, will really show us that Windows 11 is going to grow faster and that Windows 10 is going to decline faster also as people move on. And, of course, next year, the last year, and, with all the bombarding of Windows PC ads that Microsoft is going to put on your screen saying, well, the end of life of Windows 10 is coming near and you should go on to Windows 11. This is definitely going to help push people towards a new computer. So this is going to be interesting, definitely for the second half of 2024, and definitely even more next year in 2025. Really going to be interesting to see the numbers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.